Mixed numerals and improper fractions. So with mixed numerals and improper fractions, we can actually change between the two. Let's have a look at a diagram here. We've got 1.5. So let's imagine one whole circle plus half a circle. We can split that whole circle in half, and we can say we have 3 halves of a circle. So here we have our mixed numeral, and here we have our improper fraction. Now, how do we change between the two? If we have the mixed numeral, what we do is we times the whole number by the denominator. So 1 times 2 is going to give us 2. Then we add it to our numerator. And that's going to give us 3. And we put it over whatever denominator we have to give us 3 over 2. How do we go the other way? So if we have 3 over 2, how do we change it to a mixed numeral? Well, how many times is 2? So we've got to check how many times does our denominator go into our numerator. Well, 2 goes into 3 once, and that becomes our whole number. Keep our denominator the same, and if 2 goes into 3 once, it has 1 remainder, and that becomes our new numerator. Let's have a look at some other examples. Let's change 4 and 5/6 into a mixed numeral. So remember, we take the whole number and multiply it by the denominator, then we add it to the numerator. So we're going to get 4 times 6 is 24, then plus 5 is going to give us 29, and that's our new numerator, and we just keep the denominator the same. Let's look at 13 over 5 and changing this to a mixed numeral. How many times does 5 go into 13? Well, that goes in twice, so that becomes the whole number. The remainder is 3, which becomes the numerator, and whatever denominator we have just stays as the denominator. Let's look at another one. 27 over 4, changing into a mixed numeral. How many times does 4 go into 27? Well, 4 goes into 27 6 times, remainder 3. And the denominator, we just keep the same.